Hi, I'm Dean Standing with Atlas IED. We're at ISE here in Barcelona, and we've introduced some new products to our Atmosphere line. For those of you that don't know Atmosphere, it's a line of digital signal processors that were designed primarily for the hospitality market, although they are finding their way into other areas as well. We have a 4-zone processor and an 8-zone processor, and here at the show we've introduced powered versions of both of those. The powered versions use power sharing amplifiers, and you can go in and designate how you want to divide up a 600 watt block of power across 4 zones or 2 600 watt blocks across 8 zones, and select the amount of power and the load impedance for each zone and each output. One of the things that makes Atmosphere really interesting is that we step you through the programming process. So when you open the software, which is a web-based GUI that's served from the device, you see a dashboard and it lets you know what's up and what's connected. And that's the first screen you see. But then as you're programming and setting it up, the first thing you do is go in and select sources. Then you'd select and name your zones. We have a built-in message player, and you can load messages. It uses 16-bit WAV files for that, either messages or tones. Scenes are what we call presets. A routine is a group of presets that are linked together. We have logic ports. We have a series of accessories for this, and I'll show you the accessories real quickly here in a minute. A built-in scheduler. So this can be used as a bell scheduler, or it can be used to change the input source at different times of the day. It can be used for, we've done this in small schools, again, full bell scheduler, factory, start bell, break bells, lunch bells. And when I say bells, it can either be a tone or it can be a spoken word message. Hey, it's lunchtime. We also in the powered versions have a self-test feature built in. So it's very intuitive to just follow the flow and program. So different sources, we have a new paging controller that will let you do zone paging. It'll also act as a system controller, wall mount system controller. This can be used to either control the sources and level in a single zone or multiple zones. We have a Bluetooth accessory, so you've got easy Bluetooth input to a system, some wall plates with RCAs and a 3.5 mil, and the accessories are available in either black or white. We have ambient noise sensing built in, which will allow you to use sensors to automatically change the levels depending on the time or what's going on in the facility. So right now we're in a noisy facility. We could have programmed it so that when the noise increases, our levels go up, our background music. As it quiets down, the levels reduce. So lots of features, lots of flexibility in the system, and I hope you'll check it out.